to my channel. I'm back again with another haul, but this time I'm very excited to bring you a very special one, which is in collaboration with an online store called Cherries. To give you a brief insight about Cherries, it is an online store that sells affordable essentials ranging from health and beauty, stationery, games, some food products and tasty snacks, as well as selective clothing items and household goods. So as you can tell by my description, this is an online store that sells literally everything. So if you like bargains like me, why don't you check out their website and their app store? Just let you know guys, Cherries has generously offered a huge 20% off your first order when you use the code ImpartialMind20. I'll let you know more about this later on. I was gifted £30 voucher to spend on their app store. And what I can tell you is that I was quite amazed to see how many things I was able to purchase with that amount. So guys, your money can stretch a long way if you shop online at Cherries. So let's get started and dive into this haul. So we'll start off with this mug. Like, just look at it. It's so cute, and I love the message on this mug that says always be kind. Like seriously, always be kind. There's nothing wrong with being kind. Like we should be kind all the time. So yeah, they were doing a deal for this which was 2 for £2. Like really? So I believe this is where the other mug is, so let's just open it. So these are both of the mugs, 2 for £2. So it was buy one, get second one free. So I really love this. This is good when you're drinking your tea during your lunch breaks. You're sending a message out to your colleagues. Always be kind. Like this, so cute. These are the mugs, so cute. Next one is this. So Flora concentrated disinfectant and is in the scent Midnight Blooms. So this, I actually heard that this smells just like the Alien perfume. I'm not sure, so I've never actually tried this scent out. So let's see how it smells. Wow, it really smells good. Like it really smells good. And even though it's been a while since I've tried the Alien perfume, but to be honest with you, I do agree. I do believe it does smell like it, and it really smells like those expensive perfumes. It's a shame you can't put this on your body. This is only for cleaning purposes. But yeah, this is how it looks out of the box. I can't wait to clean my floors and different stuff for this. So next are these Mentos. So this is actually a really good deal. So this is actually meant to be free inside, but they added 2 more, making 5 Mentos, and this was only £1. Like seriously, £1. I love these Mentos, and I got the spearmint version, so love it. Then I also got this RFID blocking passport cover. So this is what it looks like. And I got in the colour pink. They also have this in black too. So basically this passport cover is to help stop identity thieves scanning your passport. I feel this is really good, and it's really useful, you know, when you're traveling, because you don't know who is around you. You don't know who may have a device that could track your personal information. This passport cover is really good, and this was only £2. So yeah. So this is called Mr. Jim. This is just like Mr. Tom. In fact, it's the same brand but a different flavor, should I say. So if you know about Mr. Tom, it's basically a peanut bar. So this Mr. Jim is a peanut bar but covered in chocolate. So wow, that sounds so good. I've never tried this version before. It's Mr. Tom that I usually buy. Cherries also sell Mr. Tom as well, but the time when I checked for them, they were sold out. So I got this Mr. Jim version instead, and I'm sure it will be just as nice as Mr. Tom, if not even better. because this is covered in chocolate, this peanut bar. So yeah, I can't wait to try it out. And this is a pack of 3. A pack of 3 for only £1. That is so good, because I usually buy Mr. Tom at my corner shop, but these days I'm not really seeing Mr. Tom around. I feel it's just my area. But yeah, I'm glad that Cherries have these old school snacks. Like, I really love these. So yeah, I can't wait to try this version, Mr. Jim. So then I got this mesh bath brush. So this is it again. So this is really good for when you want to like really scrub your back, and you wouldn't need to struggle when you're scrubbing your back with this bath brush. Usually when you use your hands, sometimes it might be hard to get to certain areas of your back. Well, for me, it can be hard sometimes. So this would be really, really good for me. I just scrub my back, and yeah, I'm good. So this was only £2.50. I can't wait to use this tonight. So this is a face wash that I got. Bioglow Brightening Face Wash. I haven't really heard about this brand, Bioglow, but what made me buy this face wash is that I saw that it says that it's free from soap and alcohol, and it doesn't contain parabens. So the fact that it's free from soap means that it's sulfate free, and like I said, it's free from alcohol and parabens. So this would be really good for my skin. I really can't wait to try it, and it has a lot of good ingredients in it too. This was only £1. So yeah, can't wait. Next, I got these scissors. So I just love the design of these kitchen scissors, and I like the fact that I have one small scissors and one big one. So I really love that, and this was only £1.50, so it's a bargain. I love it, and like I said, I love the floral design on it. It's so cute. Then I got this notebook, and what it says here, all you got to do is believe. Indeed, I love the message on this book. It also comes with a pen, which is really good. So this is the pen that it comes with, and it was only £1.50. £1.50. So this is really, really good. This is great to give as a gift. You can write what you want or what you want to manifest on this notebook if you wish to. But yeah, this notebook, I love it. Only £1.50, and I love the message. All you got to do is believe. Then I got this cotton wool balls. I love the fact that it's colourful, and guess what, they were doing a deal. So not only was I getting one, they also gave me 2, so I love that. And I only got it for £1.40. £1.40. Like, that is so good. So it's 100 in a pack, and because they gave me a second one for free, I end up having 200 cotton wool balls. Like, that is a great deal. Other places cost more than this. It's usually £2 for these cotton wool balls, and it's 1. Whereas this, you're getting 200 cotton wool balls for £1.40. And I just love how colourful they look, because most cotton wool balls are white. It's just white, isn't it? But this comes in multicolours. Cute. Then I got this Fairy Liquid Naturals. So this one, I got it in the Lavender and Rosemary scent. I don't know if it's just me, but I've never seen this version before. Fairy Naturals. I usually just get the ordinary fairy soap liquid in the scent lemon or the original. Sometimes I get the apple scent, but it's usually the lemon or the original. So when I saw this on the Cherries app, I thought, wow, I really want to see how this is, like lavender and rosemary. Like, let's have a sniff. Yeah, really smells of rosemary. Not only do I use fairy soap liquid for washing the dishes, of course, I also use fairy soap liquid to wash my makeup brushes, because they're quite gentle on my makeup brushes. They're not very harsh. So yeah, I will also be using this on my makeup brushes too, because I love the scent of it. It will give that lovely rosemary and lavender scent to my brushes. So yeah, this is it again. And I got this for £1.90. Then I also got these microwave and fridge freezer wipes. So this is what it looks like. Like, I just thought this would be a really good quick way to clean my microwave and also my fridge. This is really good, and this has 70 large wipes, and this was only £1. So yeah, this was only for £1. This will be a breeze when it comes to cleaning my microwave and my fridge. So yeah, can't wait to use this. So this is called the XHC Banana Shampoo. What made me purchase this shampoo was simply the fact that it's sulfate free. It smells so good. It reminds me of banana bubblegum. That's what it reminds me of. But I really love the smell of this shampoo, and it was really affordable. This was only £1.05. Like, the cheapest one that I got was like £4, because sulfate free shampoos are usually expensive. I wouldn't say really expensive, but they're not that cheap, because sulfate free shampoo is better for the hair. It's not as drying as the ordinary shampoos that you would use on the hair, and it cares for the hair. It's healthier for your hair, so it's better to use a sulfate free shampoo. And this was again only £1.05, so I feel that you should check it out. I haven't tried it yet, but I do believe it will work well on my hair, simply because it's sulfate free and my hair can get really dry. So I can't wait to try this shampoo. Then I also got this USB cable for my iPhone and my iPad, simply because I need another Apple USB cable for when I'm out and charging my phone. And this was only £1.50. Guys, this is so affordable. It's always good to have an extra cable to put in your bag when you want to charge your phone. Then I got this cute salad bowl. Like, just look at it. How it looks inside. I just love how it looks. It's a glitter salad bowl. Not only would I use this to make salad, I would also use this to put my fruits in as well. And it was only £2.50. So yeah. Then I got this bathroom cleaner. So this is what it looks like. And this was only 95p. Like, wow. So I had to get this. And I also got these rainbow drops. Like, guys, do you remember these? Who remember these? These rainbow drops. Boy, this reminds me of my childhood. I love them so much. These are sugar-coated puffed maize and rice. So these are like Rice Krispies, but they are multicolored, and these kind of melt in your mouth when you eat them. I really love these. They taste so good. So these rainbow drops come in a pack of 9, which is really good. And these were only for £1. Like £1. So these are really good for kids and also sweet tooth adults. These rainbow drops, I used to get them at my corner shop. So it's good to see these are available at Cherries, and are even cheaper at Cherries as well. You get 9 packs for £1. Like, I love these. Then I also got these vitamin D3. So these are the vitamins that I like to take to help with my immune system, and these were only for £1.49. I feel that is a really good deal, and it's 60 tablets inside. And I also got this Sweet as Cherry Pie hand and body lotion. I thought, let me give this a try, because I needed to get a hand lotion, and this is hand and body lotion. So let me just see how it smells. It actually smells really good, so let's just see how it looks. I also love the consistency of it. Wow, this really smells of cherry. Wow, it smells so sweet. And it seems to be really moisturizing as well. It's moisturizing but non-greasy. That's what I particularly like in a hand lotion. And also I can apply this on my body when I don't want that feeling of greasiness on my skin. I could use this on my body too. So this is a great moisturizer for your hands and body. And this was only for 90p. Like 90p, and this is 200ml. So this is really good for the price. I really recommend this. Okay, so now the last product here is this large sack and storage basket, and it's in this light baby pink color. Love it. So what I like about this is that even though it's not very big, but it is spacious. Like, you can put a lot of stuff in here. Like, There are loads of things that you can put in here and more. I'm just giving an example, but there are loads of things that you can put in this basket. That's what I really like about this. And this was only £2.50. Only £2.50. This is really good. This is really useful. So yeah, that's it. Now that's it, guys. It was literally about 21 items in total. Wow, that's quite good. I'd like to say a huge thanks to Cherry's online store for sending me this voucher. Much appreciated. So now guys, I did promise to give you details on how you can get a 20% discount off your first order from Cherry's. However, please be aware that this offer can only be applied through their app and not the website. So to redeem the promo code, please click on the link which will be in my description box and also pinned in the comment section. Download the app and enter the code, which is ImpartialMind20 at the checkout, and that's it. So happy shopping, guys, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.